All right, so it just should be noted that when you're installing a sign or you're going on your install, that you want to make perfectly clear and sure that you're installing in the right address. How does that happen? So, yeah, I got no one to blame other than me on this one. I think my fat sausage link fingers when I typed in the address, because we have all of our customers give us their address. I typed in 728, and thank God I took a nap today. She texted me at literally right now, 10 minutes ago. It's 1:20 in the morning. And she's like, hey, I just went downstairs to get some water, and I don't see a sign outside. I was like, what? I texted her back, what? She's like, yeah. I'm like, what address are you on? She's like 748 so-and-so road. So I pull out my square count. 728 so-and-so street. So I'm like, sweet. Gonna lose money on this deal. So what I would say to you is, I'll probably need to go over this in a little bit more detail because this is a good learning experience. But you guys know that my wife, she does the decorations or the displays, right? And we actually have a chalk dry erase board that she does this all on now, and we have it on a board. So I just take a picture of the board, so we don't have to worry about all those stencils anymore, which has worked out great. And I think what we'll make sure that we'll do from now on, duly noted, that we'll put the correct address down, or just triple check before we go. Because I don't know if it's because we're just got so much going on that this morning we got a phone call at 7 o'clock. The general came hauling downstairs. She's like, we're supposed to install a sign. It's this morning. I'm like, well, you're in charge of scheduling. What the hell happened? She's like, I wrote it down for tonight. It should be this morning. I'm like, I guess we're going to so-and-so town. She's like, I guess so. So this is probably a good reason to slow down. Just slow down. Thank God tomorrow we don't have any installs. I haven't had a day off in a while, nor have I wanted to have a day off in a while. But I think it's time to just maybe step away for 24 hours. Just kind of decompress, catch up on some sleep, and kind of get away from the grind. Because if this is 2 mistakes in a row, that's something. So just make sure that if you're renting 3 or 4 signs a night, and you're doing that for a week straight, even 2 signs a night, you want to make super sure that you're installing at the right freaking house. How embarrassing is that? Hey, hi, just 2 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning. We just want to call and see if you guys are coming. Meanwhile, we texted them today that we were coming. We texted them the day before, hey, we're coming, everything's going to be great, don't worry about it, everything's going to be fine. Sure enough, we installed the wrong freaking house. And this just so happens to be the sister of a woman that we did a sign for, who has been our biggest fan. She's sharing all of our stuff on Facebook. Hi, my name's Brooke, and I'm so-and-so's sister, and she can't stop talking about how great you guys are, or whatever, you know what I mean? And you're like, wow, that's great, thanks. How can we help you? And then we write down the wrong fucking address. I'm gonna make that face again. Oh, oh, yay. All right. So there you go. Lessons learned. Check the address. Don't be up and get up at 1:30 in the morning and go fix a sign. 'Cause I'm tired. But yeah. Hey, I'll be able to use my lamp, my headlight today. Anyway, enough out of me.